Hi Tanisha, I downloaded the Excel file that you submitted. I can only see your last submission, so I can't see what you did the first time. But I downloaded the file, and so the first tab on here is the submission markup, and it says that 19 cells has comments in place. So if I go to the question tab, what you've done is you're not setting these in as formulas. In order to put them in as formulas, you have to put an equal sign in front of what it is you're putting in. Otherwise, it's just putting this into the cell. It's not putting in the what this is equal to. So you need to put an equal sign in front of it, and then that makes it a formula. And then when you hit enter, I don't know if the formula is correct or not, it's going to put a number into the cell. So you notice here what I did. So when I put that equal sign in front of the equation or the expression you had there, it actually tells Excel to do the calculations. What you've done down here is simply write out the expression, but without the equal sign in front of it, Excel doesn't know what to do with it. Excel just thinks that you type that into the cell. So that's why you've got all those cells marked incorrectly. I'm going to go ahead and give you one additional attempt on this project so that you can try to submit it one more time and make those corrections. All those cells there, you need to put an equal sign in front of what you've typed. I didn't check all the formulas, so I don't know if they're correct. But you need to put an equal sign in front so that Excel knows, oh, okay, Tanisha wants me to do this calculation and put whatever that value is into the cell. So I hope this helps, and I'll give you one more attempt only on this particular project, okay?